One sunny afternoon, Mirage the Cockatiel discovered a shiny mirror sitting in the backyard. His curiosity piqued. He hopped closer, peering into the reflective surface. Suddenly, his reflection mimicked every move, flapping wings and tilting its head in hilarious synchrony. Mirage decided to challenge his reflection to imitate his quirkiest antics. The more outrageous, the better. They danced, twirled, and even performed an epic beak-in-the-air pose that left him in fits of laughter. Just when he thought he had outsmarted his mirror twin, it surprised him with a silly wink, proving that playfulness never goes out of style.